Hi, my name is Bo Rogers. I'm a crane technician at Kirby Smith Machinery, and I've been doing this, working here for 9.5 years, and I've become a certified GMK crane technician. I started out as an auto mechanic, and in the late 90s, things were going, computer technology was advancing, and I realized that in the equipment industry, it was lagging way behind the auto industry. And the technology of the cranes is where the biggest jump in technology took place. And having a good understanding of hydraulics and being able to read schematics and all that kind of thing, that helped me kind of hone in on becoming a crane technician. The upper management at Kirby Smith works closely with us at the crane department. When we have problems that are very difficult in the field, they can get the right people on the phone at the right time from the factory, make those connections. If we need something that we don't have, it will be purchased and for the job, even if it's something we might only use 1 or 2 times. The thing I like the most about my job and what I do is I think just making people happy and knowing that the work that I put into this career makes the cranes more valuable to the customers. I like the fact that when they pick up the phone and call, their day's not going good. It's like, this is the last place you want to call when you're running a crane. And the thing I like about my job that I really like is when I go out and I get to be the guy that basically turns the situation around and everyone can relax, everyone can calm down. I've got several hobbies. I've got a one-line drawings. I've been doing that artwork for some time now. The ones I draw are typically 11 by 14. And the lines are about a 32nd to a 16th of an inch apart. And the line goes through the whole drawing without crossing or ending. It just goes through the whole drawing and ends. I've got 3 kids, and that's the kind of stuff that I like to tell them. When you do what you love, you won't have to worry about feeling like you're going to work every day. I am Bo Rogers, and we are one Kirby Smith.